This is the longest sandy beach in Europe that nobody says anything about. But why? The beach is located in west part of Peloponnese Peninsula in Greece. The total length of the beach is over 56 kilometers, and it is the longest beach in Europe. It is extended from Katakolo to Nero village. Here you will learn about Spiantza, the northern part of beach, dot with over 9,000 illegal buildings. The area is characterized by a mix of small houses, caravans, and some luxurious constructions, all haphazardly built along the sandy beach. Situated just 4 kilometers from the city of Pyrgos and stretching up to Katakolo, this seaside settlement emerged over the past 40 years without any formal planning. As a result, intense weather conditions pose a significant threat to these properties, particularly those in the front line. There have been numerous instances where the sea has inundated homes, carrying away refrigerators, stoves, and furniture, some of which were later found on the sea floor. According to the Hellenic Republic Asset Development Fund, over 9,000 instances of land appropriation have occurred in the area, covering a total of 20,000 acres. Of the 1,850 acres of coastal land, only 300 have been classified as free for development. Despite interest from the International Monetary Fund in privatizing the region, these extensive illegal constructions have stalled any progress. The illegal development in Spiantza is not a recent phenomenon. Over the past quarter century, local authorities, police, and planning agencies have largely ignored the problem, allowing the settlement to expand into what is now a densely built and regulated city. This has created a significant challenge for the Greek government, which now faces the difficult decision of whether to forcibly remove the squatters or leave the situation unresolved, potentially losing valuable revenue. Inspections have revealed that the situation is even more chaotic than initially thought. Many of the public properties in the region lack clear documentation, making it difficult to determine their exact boundaries and ownership. IMF representative Poul Thompson, upon learning of the extent of the illegal occupation, demanded a thorough investigation and potential state intervention. However, efforts to resolve the issue have been met with resistance from local political figures who have successfully lobbied against any attempts to clear the area, citing the need to protect their constituents. The story of Spiantza is emblematic of broader issues within Greece, where systemic corruption and political pressure have allowed illegal activities to persist for decades. What could have been a prime location for development, potentially transforming into a Western Greek Riviera, has instead become a symbol of missed opportunities and governmental inaction. Would you like to visit this unknown, beautiful, and not so hospitable beach? Write in comments your thoughts